Welcome to our video on how to navigate the world of scholarships. If you are looking to finance your studies, scholarships can be a significant aid. Let's break down the process step by step. First, research is a key. Start by identifying scholarships for which you qualify. Focus on eligibility criteria like academic achievements, community involvement, and specific fields of study. Next, gather all necessary documents. This usually includes transcripts, letter of recommendations, and personal statements. Make sure your documents are up to date and neatly organized. Deadlines are crucial. Keep a calendar with important dates for each scholarship application. Missing a deadline can mean missing out on potential funding. Now let's talk about application. Each application is unique and read instructions carefully, follow guidelines on easy prompts, word counts, and formats. Take time to write a compelling personal statement, share your story, achievements, and aspirations. This is your opportunity to stand out from other applicants. Reach out for help if needed. Teachers, mentors, and career advisors can provide valuable feedback. Before submitting, double check everything. Ensure every section is complete and error free. Finally, apply to multiple scholarships. Keep track of your progress and stay motivated. Scholarships can greatly lighten the financial burden of education. With preparation and diligence, you can find opportunities that align with your goals. Good luck and happy applying.